Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education. In this video, we are going to discuss about latest job openings in Amritsar location. Let us see what are the job openings available. We will discuss one by one in detail. Firstly, there is a job openings for Accounts Associate for the organization Meritot International Incorporation located in Amritsar, Punjab. Educational experience, if we see, should have a 4-year bachelor's degree in finance and accounting or related major, and no work experience is required. That is, freshers are eligible for this job role. And if you see the responsibilities, you should coordinate and implement accounting related work and projects as assigned. You should coordinate, implement, and follow up an accounting SOP audits for all area of the property. You should compile and with all applicable laws related to fraud and collection procedures. You should generate and provide accurate and timely results in the form of reports, presentations, etc. You should analyze information and evaluate results to choose the best solution and solve problems. You should compile codes and categorize, calculate, tabulate, audit, and verify information or data. You should balance credit card ledgers. You should verify contracts for groups and perform credit reference checks for direct billed groups if necessary. To apply for the job and to get to know more information, you can browse the official career web page of Meritot. Next, there is a job opening for attendant food and beverage for Meritot International Incorporation in Amritsar location in Punjab. If you see the position summary, you should complete closing duties including storing all reusable goods, breaking down goods, cleaning all equipment and areas, returning equipment to proper locations, locking refrigerators, restocking items, turning off lights, locking doors, and completing daily cleaning checklist. You should set up, stock, and maintain work areas. You should inspect and the cleanliness and presentation of all china, glass, and silver prior to use. You should maintain cleanliness of work areas throughout the day, practicing clean as you go procedures. You can browse the official careers web page of Meritot for more information and to apply for this job. Next, there is a job openings for Kotak Mahindra located in Amritsar, Punjab. They are looking for relationship officer, branch banking. Branch banking is the role like a relationship officer for the branch banking. Job responsibilities, if we see, should handle customer service requirements like account opening, demat account opening, grievances, liability product selling, liability on product features, checkbook insurance, and you should have a speed and efficiency of service given. You should maintain sales targets for banks and investment products. You should be going beyond the professional need of the customer by providing other products, enhancement of customer value, cross sale of asset products. You should back up to relationship managers holding HNI relationship. Customer acquisition through referrals is required. You can browse the official career web page of Kotak Bank for more information and to apply for this job. Next, there is a job openings for service officer branch banking for Kotak Mahindra organization located in Amritsar, Punjab. If you see the minimum qualification should be MBA or graduation, should have handled SO profile, and responsibility, if you see, redress customer needs pertaining to cash, DDs, check deposits, general information, speed and accuracy of transaction is required, exploitation of other business opportunities censored, providing quality of experience that will ensure retention and positive word of mouth. To apply for this job role and to get to know more information, you can browse the official careers web page of Kotak Mahindra. Next, there is a job openings for Service Delivery Officer RA Rural Branches Branch Operations for Kotak Mahindra organization located in Amritsar, Punjab. If you see the job role and requirements, you should handle personalized service requests of customers. You should generate timely business MIS, ensuring strict adherence to compliance, audit, and regulatory requirements for customer segment. You should coordinate with CPC, RPC, investment desk for account opening of customers. You should manage complaints of customers and ensure their resolution within TAT. And you should develop and maintain banking relationships with a select group of high net worth customers. You should have excellent communication skills with customer service orientation. You should have a courteous and polite skills. You should have a good knowledge of Microsoft Excel. You should understand banking norms and the process. To apply for the job role, you can browse the official careers webpage of Kotak Bank. Next, there is a job openings for Service Officer RA Rural Branches Service for Kotak Mahindra located in Amritsar, Punjab. If you see the job responsibilities and requirements, you should redress customer needs pertaining to cash, DDs, check deposits, general information, and you should maintain speed and accuracy of transaction. You should have an exploration of other business opportunities. Since you should provide quality of experience that will ensure retention and positive word of mouth. You should have a minimum qualification MBA or graduation. To apply for this job role, you can browse the official careers webpage of Kotak Mahindra Bank, and to get to know more information, you can browse this link and you can apply for the job role as well. Next, there is a job openings for Branch Operations Manager, Branch Banking for Kotak Mahindra located in Amritsar, Punjab. If you see the job role and the requirements, you should lead a service team. You should ensure regulatory and procedural compliance. You should coordinate to the audit of the branch. You should ensure service excellence to enhance portfolio, control retention and better cross-sell. You should authorize and check ROSO entries. You should check the products, end products. You should check vouchers to clear transactions of 10 lakhs and above. You should maintain vault and key custody. Ability to manage and motivate front office staff. Thorough overall understanding of banking. Graduation or MBA is minimum qualification. Graduates with 6 to 8 years of experience is required and should have MBA with 4 to 6 years of experience. You should possess customer orientation and team leader qualities. To apply for this job role and to get to know more information, you can browse the official careers webpage of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Next, there is a job openings for Relationship Officer RA Rural Branches Relationship Management sector for Kotak Mahindra located in Amritsar, Punjab. If you see the job role and requirements, you should handle customer service requirements like account opening, demat account opening, grievances, liability product selling, liability on product features, checkbook insurance. Speed and efficiency of service given is required. You should maintain sales targets for banks and investment products. You should go beyond the professional need of the customer by providing other products, enhancement of customer value. Cross sale of asset products is required. You should have a backup to relationship managers holding HNI relationship. You should maintain customer acquisition through referrals. And if you see the job requirements, equal blend of service and sales orientation. In absence of equality, prefer sales orientation as a skew. Through understanding of banking is required. Customer retention should be maintained. Cost efficiency through process is required. To apply for the job role and to get to know more information, you can browse the official careers webpage of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Next, there is a job openings for Branch Operations Manager RA Rural Branches Branch Operations for Kotak Mahindra located in Amritsar, Punjab. If you see the job role and requirements, should have minimum MBA or graduation. Minimum work experience is required 3 years. Through overall understanding of banking is required. Customer service orientation skills is required. Ability to manage and motivate front office staff is required. Responsible for management of day-to-day operations of the branch. You should ensure strict adherence to prescribed process, audit and regulatory requirements. Timely authorization and checking SO, SDO, RO system input for customer transaction or service request. You should maintain branch lobby and customer queue management. You should manage cash including FX and TCS at the branch and ensuring that cash including FX and TCS is within branch limit. You should maintain customer complaints management and ensure resolution of all complaints within TAT. You should be responsible for the AML and KYC compliance of the various account opening forms submitted to CPC or RPC. To apply for the job role and to get to know more information, you can browse the official careers webpage of Kotak Mahindra Bank. Next, there is a job openings for Credit Manager, Salaried PL and Working Capital Credit for Kotak Mahindra Bank located in Amritsar, Punjab. If you see the job role and job requirements, you should credit monitoring for consumer assets, working capital, HF, LAP, BL. You should publish delinquency and various other reports to senior management and PON India terms, driving closure and resolution. And you should understand assets business, knowledge of Finagil and core systems is required. You should have a knowledge of MS Excel worksheets to apply for this job role. And to get to know more information, you can browse the official careers webpage of Kotak Mahindra provided here.
That's it in this video, guys. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members who are in need of job. And if you have any queries, please comment in the comment section. And please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.